Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add custom header code into one of your Weebly websites? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add custom header code into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some softwares require you to add custom header code into your website for it to work. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add custom header code, first on the top left, you're going to go ahead and click on the downward menu. Next, you want to choose the website you want to enter that into. So for example, I'll use this one. Okay, so once you've chosen the correct website, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on settings. Once you click on settings, click on tracking tools. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and look for this line, add custom header code. And off to the right, you're going to see this blue button, add new code. Once you click on there, here is where you can go ahead and add your custom code. So you can go ahead and name it. Let's say this is tracking 123, and then you're going to enter in the code. So this is going to be from whatever software is asking you to enter in custom header code into your Weebly site. And then you want to choose, do you want it in the header or at the end of the body? They do let you know it's generally going to be in the header, and then you want to click on save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add custom header code into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.